Hey friends, welcome back to Just a Little Kick, where I teach you how to make easy homemade recipes for you and your family. Today I've got the absolute best broccoli cheddar soup. Super easy to make. We pretty much just throw everything in the crock pot and let it do its magic. First and foremost, I got to throw it out there. This video was filmed last fall. So no, I do not have fall decor in my kitchen right now. It was filmed before that. But then also, I'm also going to show you how to make super yummy garlic bread bowl with a few garlic croutons as well. So basically I have already started with, I had some fresh broccoli and I used about, I want to say probably about 8 cups of broccoli, and I just kind of chopped it up. I used half a bag of carrot chips, and then I diced up an onion. I also diced up some garlic. I didn't use, I know some people like celery in theirs. I didn't use any celery in this one. But then we also have chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and my secret ingredient is a little nutmeg. You're also going to need about half a stick of butter, and then you saw me saute those mushrooms and a little bit of butter and some seasonings. I don't always use mushrooms in my soup, but I think I had some that were going to go bad, so I decided to just throw them in there because why not? Didn't want to waste them, and it actually gives it a really delicious flavor. And you also saw me mix, it was half a cup of cornstarch with about half a cup of chicken broth, and then we pour the rest of the chicken broth into the crock pot. All the ingredients and measurements and stuff, I will make sure that I put it in the description box, so don't worry about that. I also used about 3 bags of different cheese. All right, so you guys saw how I made the homemade garlic bread mixture, and I put it, on here, and then just kind of made like a few of these garlic croutons with the center here. So I'm gonna plate it up, pour it in, and have a taste. And then of course a nice helping of cheddar jack cheese on top. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig in. Panera who? Trust me. Trust me on that. The homemade garlic croutons with this soup. You guys gotta make this. 100%. 10 out of 10. You have got to make this. If you're a fan of broccoli cheddar, make this. Okay, I'll see you soon with a new recipe.